This is a must-have product if your skin is really dry and flaky and it doesn't have any glow. You can have this for 194 rupees. I mean this full tub for 194. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to part 2 of Nykaa Pink Friday sale recommendation video. Now last time I recommend you guys makeup products, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing skincare products, and you need to have them if you love skincare products. So yeah, let's get started with the video. In case you are seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Arushi and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle. If you want to watch these kind of videos, then take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notification as soon as I come online and we can chit chat like this. You can also comment down below what all are your thoughts about Nykaa sale haul and what all you are going to get for yourself. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So the very first product and my absolute favorite product, I will highly recommend you to get it for yourself, is this Dot and Key Hyaluronic Serum Acid. Now this is an amazing serum, and hyaluronic acid is something that every skin type should use and everyone should have their in skincare routine, especially if you are 25 or 30 plus. Now this has acai berry and Bulgarian rose, which are amazing ingredient for your skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, it has antioxidant. I have made a full-fledged video on this. If you want to check that out, you can go over here and see that video. But in short, I would highly recommend you to get this. Now, it's a combo going on this product. You can get this product and a sleeping mask for rupees 800, which is such a steal because product alone is for rupees 800, and for 800 you are getting two products, so you should grab this deal as soon as possible. The second product is something that is such a hype product and you must have seen everyone using and talking about this product. That's why I got this product long back and I totally fall in love with this product. I'm talking about nothing other than this L'Oreal Paris Micro Essence. Now this is a must-have product if your skin is really dry and flaky and it doesn't have any glow, then you just need to get it for yourself. Moving on to the third item, I would like to talk about this moisturizer. Now I can't say enough about this moisturizer. I'm already on my second tub, and this time I have got this full size big tub because I know that I freaking love this moisturizer. I think every skin type can use this moisturizer. Let me show you the inside. It is this cream based moisturizer which quickly gets absorbed into your skin and it's gonna leave your skin really hydrated. It's not gonna grease or produce oil on your skin. You can have this for 194 rupees. I mean this full tub for 194 rupees. So I think you should definitely go and check out this product. If you are extremely oily skin type, then I would recommend you to go for Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Now its consistency is gel based, so it's not gonna clog your pores, it's just gonna quickly absorb into your skin. Now the fourth item that I want to recommend you is this Kaya Skin Clinic Purifying Cleanser. Now this particularly is for oily to combination skin. The Kaya Skin Clinic have other variety for dry and normal skin type too. It has 2% of salicylic acid, which is great for oily, acne prone skin. It's gonna go deep into your skin and really cleanse out your pores. Now this is a must have product, especially during winters because your skin is already very dry. You need to cleanse your skin. For that, this is really hydrating. Now the next product that I want to recommend you is this sunscreen. Now this is from Neutrogena Ultra Sheer High Touch Sunblock. It is SPF 50+ and I have recommended this to my family and my friends. Whether it is summer or whether it is winter, you need to use sunscreen to get protected from the harmful sun rays, and this is again great for people having oily skin type. Even dry skin and normal skin type can use them, but definitely a must buy for people having oily and combination skin. Now I would like to talk about body moisturizer because it's winter. Now our skin gonna be Sahara Desert dry. For that we need some good moisturization. So the very first item that I have with me is this Bath and Body Works Shea and Vitamin E Body Lotion. If you are looking for a body lotion, then definitely go with this. It is such a moisturizing lotion. Also Bath and Body Works are having buy to get 2 offers, so yeah, definitely go and check out this brand. Another body moisturizer that I am loving lately is this Wow Ka body butter. Now I got this product recently and I have been using this continuously. As you can see, the tub is going to get complete soon. Wow is an Indian brand, so I think we really need to be proud that our own brands are making such amazing product. Also, their products are cruelty free, dermatologically tested, and all their ingredients are plant based. So yeah, that is I think a great thing. And they have also come up with this scan code where you can actually scan this code and see authenticity of the product. So you're gonna know each and everything what are you putting directly onto your skin. So I think this is a great and must have product this winter, so definitely give this a try. I know you're gonna love it. About the body polishing and body moisturizing thing, I saw MAC Caffeine are having a combo. It's their coffee body scrub and body butter. The coffee scrub is actually great for your skin. It gently removes all the dry and flaky skin off your body, and the body butter actually gonna hydrate your body so well. So talking about the eye product, I have this Wadi Herbal. Now this is really cheap. This is I think for 70 rupees. You can definitely try out if you have dark circles or if you have puffy eyes. I have been using this product from a very long and I love this product. It has almond, cucumber, rose. So yeah, definitely give this a try if you are looking for eye cream. And for lip moisturization, I have this Biotic Bio Almond Lip Balm. This is again a great lip balm just for ₹25. Next skincare product is something you need to have if you are a makeup lover. Now I'm talking about makeup removal. For that, I would highly recommend you to use Clinique Balm. It is an oil based makeup remover, so it's also gonna remove your waterproof makeup. Just need to take out a little bit, rub it on your palm, go circular motion on your face. It will actually melt down all the makeup. If you have really dry skin, and then I would highly recommend you to use Clinique Surge Moisturizer. Now it says that it's gonna moisturize your skin for 72 hours, but it's definitely gonna moisturize your skin for 12 hours, and it is the perfect moisturizer. Even if you have oily or normal skin, you can use that product, but especially you need to invest on that if you have dry skin. It is gonna hydrate and moisturize your skin and lock it for a really good time, so definitely go and check that out. So guys, those were all the recommendations that I have for you for this Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and I know it's crazy. It's 40% off. Go and get this product. I know it's gonna be very useful for you. So yeah, I want you to go and get it for yourself. I know you're gonna love each and every single product and thank me. And at the end of the video, I really hope that you enjoy watching this video and love my recommendation. If you buy anything from my recommendation, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Beauty by Arushi. And yeah, watch my other videos on my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.